Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to see the amount of cards in a list in Trello. So sometimes when you just want to know how many cards there are in a list in Trello, but you have many cards in a list, you are of course not going to count them manually because that can take a very long time and that's just a waste of time. But there is a great function just within Trello, so you do not have to install anything, which lets you see how many cards there are in this list. So, for example, in this card or in this list, there are of course five cards. That's of course you can see that very fast. But let's check if Trello is right. What you need to do is you need to type F on your keyboard, and then in this search option, type this little star icon, and as you can see, this pops up. So as you can see in this list there are 10 cards, here 15, here 5, 8 and 21. So basically this is a very fast option and a very easy option of filtering on how, so you can see how many cards there are in a specific list, and it works perfectly fine. You can even create new cards with this filter enabled. As you can see, you can easily turn this filter off again by tapping on this cross, and now the filter is gone. So I hope this video is helpful. If so, please subscribe to the channel, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.